All right, so now we try to understand static member function. In this example, we have static member function as well as static data member. And in static member function, you can only use static data member. Non-static variables can never ever be used in a static member function. All right, so the example is simple. I have created one class SuperStore. We will create some 3-4 objects. Let's say Monday I'm passing 10 as daily sales. Tuesday I'm passing 20 as daily sales, and Wednesday I'm passing 30 as the daily sales. So we have to create a constructor which will initiate the daily sales variable. So float ds is my local variable for the constructor. I have already initialized daily sales with DS. Now, as we know that all the three total sales would be the summation of all the three daily sales. So what I do over here is I've created this total sales as a common variable between all the objects. So I'm just accumulating. I could write DS also. I could write daily over here. Spelling mistake is there. DAILY sales. Okay. So I have accumulated all the three daily sales in the total sales. Now, just to see whether all the variables are initialized and uh, evaluated properly, I am calling the function display disp for displaying the daily sales of Monday, which 10 would get printed. This is for Tuesday. So 20 would get display, and for Wednesday we have 30. And now the main part is, since total sales function is a static member function, so we can invoke it using object as well as we can invoke it using the reference of the class. The best way is to invoke it or to call it using the reference of the class. So the compiler would come to know total sales is a static, you can say, a member function, and which resides in superstore. So the call will be invoked, and total sales of all the three objects, which is 10 plus 20 plus 30, which is 60, is what the expected answer is. So let's say F9 and F10. So we are getting the answer: daily sales for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 10, 20, 30, and total sales is 60. So that's your, you can say, static member function. Thank you.